Hi everyone, I am Priyanka Jain. I am a verified educator at the Unacademy Plus platform, and there is a big news for all of you. We are starting a course, a theory course for the inorganic chemistry for the CSIR NET as well as GATE exams. For both the exams this will be, and here we will cover unit 1st, unit 2nd and unit 3rd. In unit 1st you will see whole the periodic trends, whole the properties. In unit 2nd you will see whole about the bonding in the homo and heteronuclear molecules. Whatever you need you will see here with the questions. Okay, and in the 3rd unit you will see acid and bases and non-aqueous solvents. All the things will be cleared here, and there will also be doubt session, and this course will be in Hindi, and the course is starting from 11th of October. Okay, so if you want to see this course, what you have to do, you have to subscribe the Unacademy platform, and then you have to click on my code. My code is Priyanka Jain 10, Priyanka Jain 10. Okay, if you are clicking on my code you will get a 10% discount on the subscription. And here is a special thing for you. In the special classes you have an opportunity to raise the hands. By raising your hand you can clear your doubts in the live session. So subscribe the Unacademy. Hi students, welcome in chemistry classes. I am Priyanka Jain and you are watching the Mark Booster questions from GATE 2020. Here I have taken a question from the solid chemistry. Okay, solid chemistry is a very important topic of the physical chemistry. Okay, and I have made the total videos on the solid chemistry. You can watch the quick reviews of the solid chemistry in which you will get the quick answers, quick topics. Okay, there is all the things and a very conceptual way. Okay, so you have given the all things in a very easy learning way, so you can watch our playlist of solids. Okay, then you will get all the questions, all the answers and all the theory, right? So see here, what is the question? Consider that AgX crystallizes in the rock salt structure. The density of AgX is 6477 kilograms per meter cube and unit cell length is 577.5 picometer. Atomic weight of silver is 107.87 grams per mole. The atomic weight of X in grams per mole is. Okay, so what we have to find out? We have to find out the atomic weight of X. Okay, what things we have given here? Firstly, we have given that the solid is AgX and it is having the rock salt structure. Okay, then we have given the density. Density is given to us 6477 kilograms per meter cube. If we converted it into the standard form, it means grams per meter cube, then it will be 6477 into 10 to power 3 grams per meter cube. Okay, firstly we should convert it to the standard form, and then we have given the age length. See here, age length is given to us 577.5 picometers. So put here 577.5 picometer, and then again we have to convert it to the meter. So it will be 577.5 into 10 to power minus 12. Okay, meter, right? Now we have given the atomic weight of silver, that is 107.87 gram per mole. And what we have to find out? We have to find out the atomic weight of X, that we have to find out. Okay, so now what you have to do, you know the formula of density. What is the formula? Formula is Z into M divided by A cube into Na. Okay, now you know all the things. This is the number of the atoms per unit cell, this is the molecular weight of the AgX, this is age length, and this is the Avogadro number. So you can put here the values, so you can find out the value of M. It means molecular weight of AgX. So it will be equal to rho into A cube into Na divided by Z. Okay, so just you have to put here the values. So you are getting 6477 into 10 to power 3 into, put here this value, 577.5 into 10 to power minus 12 whole cube. Okay, then you have to put here the value of Avogadro number 6.02 into 10 to power 23 and divide it all by 4. Okay, now if you are getting its answer, it will be 187 grams per mole. Is this your answer? No, it is not your answer. It is the molecular weight of AgX, right? And we have to find out the atomic weight of X. We have given the atomic weight of Ag, that is given to us 107.87 gram per mole. So just you have to subtract this from this. If you are subtracting, you are getting 79.94 gram per mole. Okay, so this will be your answer. Okay, this thing you have to find out. This is the atomic mass of the X or this halide. Okay, so this is the answer you have to find out. And there are several other questions of such type of in the solid chemistry that you can do in the quick seconds or quick minutes. Okay, so for such type of questions you can watch our playlist of solid chemistry. Thank you.